Vizio TV just came in. Looks like it's about a 42-inch, and this is all it does when I hit the power button. It's just this light, no screen, no nothing. This light, this Vizio logo, is the standby power, but also the power indicator. It turns dim when the TV is off, and it gets brighter when the TV is powered. Right now, the TV is supposed to be switched on, but again, this is all it's doing. I have a hunch of what's going on, but let's see if I'm right. One word: capacitors. Oh, look at that. It's starting to flash on the screen now. Yeah. You know something, Miguel? This TV actually might have a problem with the main filter reservoir cap. When the voltage gets higher, it starts, you know what I mean? Let's take this thing apart. Let's take this thing apart and see what's going on. That was completely wrong. Remember that Vizio TV? This is it opened and it's powered up. The problem was this capacitor right here. See how exploded it is? It shorted out, and it shorted out the board, the layers of the board. I had to bypass the layers of the board, and this is how it looks. See, that whole layer down there is shorted to ground on the positive 12-volt line coming in from the power supply in the main board. The power supply was in the protect mode. So what I did was I cut off that side of the board, isolated it, and just rewired it into the regulator so that this board could work again. We have an image on the screen. I already tested it. We're about to see a picture on this bad boy once I close it back up. All because of this one little capacitor and it wrecking the board. TV works now. I'm in the TV saved from the trash. Wait, Miguel. Wow. This is the Fallout game on the Vizio I just fixed with that board problem. You see my computer's connected. Sounds pretty good too. You see now, this is why I like older TVs better. They always can be repaired cheaply. You buy a new TV, you're going to be paying out the ass for it later, I'm telling you. Remember that story I told you about on my last repair? The client having me to fix their older TV and then them buying a little TV for the room and it breaking down and me having to fix that one too less than a year. I still think the plasma looks better though. What do you think? Hey? Not bad for a TV that didn't work. That had a short on the board, a nasty short. Well, as always guys, I hope you learned something and thanks for watching.